Welcome, guys, to today's practice. So, this is a quick daily practice that you can do in the morning or in the evening, and it's for beginners and intermediate. So, here we're starting with alternate nostril breathing. So, you can start in cross legs, in knee pile, or cross legs. Bring your left arm out, have your index and middle finger down. Breathe into the left nostril for 10 seconds. Hold for 10 seconds and then exhale right for 10 seconds. You can do extra rounds of this if you like. Now moving into a side bend. So bring your right leg out, put the right hand down, press the palm down and the forearm if you can. Then stretch your right arm, your left arm up. And if you'd like, you can also bring it out to the side. Breathe deep into your shoulder, head and neck relaxed. Bring both arms up, come into a forward fold. Breathe into your back, pull your belly in. Now change sides. Inhale, left leg out, left arm up, round down. Stretch the right arm up, open the chest. So pull your right arm back. Breathe into your shoulder, breathe into your side. Open into forward fold. Breathe into your back and your hamstrings. Focus on where you feel the stretch the most and send your breath into that area, creating more relaxation, feeling your body. Now come into abs, so you need a block or a roll, like a rolled up towel. Place block in between thighs, legs straight as you can. Inhale, expand ribs, top tailbone, elbows to right knee. Come back to center. Exhale, elbows to left knee. Tuck tailbone and pull belly down. And come forward, squeeze the block. Bring elbows to right knee. Squeeze block, pull belly down. Elbows to left knee. Squeeze block, pull belly down. And come forward. Squeezing the block, pull belly down. You should really feel it working. Elbows to right knee. Tuck tailbone, pull belly down. Elbows to left knee. Pull belly down. And come forward. Squeezing block. Elbows to right knee. Pull belly down. Elbows to left knee. Forward. Second down. Elbows to right knee. Pull belly down. Elbows to left knee. Forward. Bring your hands to your belly. Take a deep breath here. And lift up your hips. Walk under sacrum. Breathing into your hips. And keep your right foot flat or bring it in half virasana. Inhale, bring your left leg up. Stretch up. Flex toes towards you. Breathing into your hips and hamstrings. Open your ankle over your thigh. Breathing into your hips. Pull the left knee down. Bring your foot flat. Or curl your toes under. Stretch the right leg up. Breathe into your back. Bring your foot into half virasana in the hip crease. And pull the right knee down. Breathe into your hips. bring both feet flat, tuck tailbone, remove block, bring your back down slowly and roll onto your side and come up. Now, dolphin pre-loops. Come onto hands and knees, bring your forearms down, hands together, pull your hips back, breathe into your back, so pull the chest towards the mat, feeling the stretch in your back and shoulders. Breathe into that area, belly pulled in, tailbone tucked, and just relax into it, enjoy the stretch. Now come up into dolphin or flash prep. Bring your right forearm down, left hand under left shoulder, wrap your right shoulder blade. So push the right shoulder back down and around, and then straighten your legs, bring your left leg up, pull your chest up, and if you want, you can bring your left arm up, you don't have to. As you can see, it's quite challenging, so give it a go if you like, or just stay with both legs down. So now we're doing the other side, left forearm down, right hand on the right shoulder, pull the chest up, bring the leg back, breathe into your hips, and when you're ready, stand up at the top of the mat for suns. Inhale, bring your arms up, tuck tailbone, pull belly in. Exhale, bring your left leg back, arms up, lean forward into the lunge, open your hips. Bring hands down under the shoulders, step back into plank, and bring knees down, torso down, chest out. Tuck the tailbone, pull the chest forward, come all the way into cobra, arms straight, shoulders open, head forward, breathing into your back. Exhale, press back down dog. So pressing through the hands, wrapping the shoulders, keeping your back straight. Having the left leg forward, arms up, lean forward, breathing into the hips. Hands down, and step up, forward fold, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Now arms up, tuck tailbone. Exhale, right foot back, arms up, lean forward. Hands down, step back down dog. Knees down towards the mat. Chest down, come forward into cobra. Exhale. Press back down dog. So breathing into your legs. Step right foot forward into lunge. Bring the arms up. Hands down, step up, forward fold. Tuck tailbone, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Now bring your arms up, tuck tailbone, bend knees, come into chair. Exhale, forward fold. Step both feet back, lengthen the back, pretty deep. Come down, chaturanga. Tuck tailbone, pull the chest forward into cobra. Exhale, press back down dog. Inhale, step the left foot forward, bend the left knee, bring right arm up, bring it to your left, and then bring it to your right, above or below the knee, but not underneath. And bring your other arm up, switch it over, breathing to the side, relax head and neck, bring the stretch to the side and the hip. Bring your right forearm down, pull chest up, left forearm down, pull chest up, and bring your other arm around your back, breathing into your shoulder, and straighten left leg. Bring right foot out to the right, push hips back straight, legs straight. You don't have to reach the ground, you can bring your hands up onto your leg or use a block if you need. The main thing is you feel the stretch, hands down, step back, down dog. Now we'll do the other side, step right forward, hips to the side, left arm up, bring it over, right arm over your head, breathing into your back, your side. And right forearm down, left arm back, pull chest up, pull shoulder down. Straighten the leg, shifts back. Breathing into your back and your legs, stretch. Step back down dog. And then step up, forward fold, bend the knees, come into chair, back straight, and stand up. Inhale, arms up, bend knees, come into chair, exhale, forward fold, hands down, and step back. Chaturanga, come all the way down, tuck tailbone, pull chest forward into cobra. Exhale, press back, down dog. Step right foot forward to triangle. Right hand on right ankle, both legs straight, push the hips back. Inhale, left arm up. Bend right knee, right hand 12 inches away, right foot, left leg up, left arm up, both in the hips. Both hands either side of the foot, press hands on the mat, wrap shoulders, bring back the back. Repeat this on the other side. The video will cut out soon, as it did when I was filming. Hands down, step back, down dog. And same the other side. Left leg forward, push hips back, open chest and shoulders. Breathe deep. After you finish both sides, you can finish with Shavasana, laying on your back and breathing deep. I trust you guys enjoyed today's quick yoga session. Stay tuned for more videos, longer ones and more advanced ones. Have a great day. Peace, much love. Bye.